And I think we recorded? Oh yeah, we gotta take off. You guys can't see anything. Bam, now you guys can see. What's up, guys? We are out here and we met some friends. We got 3 friends from Canada. Our buddy Fiora, right there, Fiora, invited us out because they are gonna be filming. So we're gonna have 2 people shooting 2 forms of content. One vertical, one horizontal, in the back of Robert or Fiora's bed. Beep that. In the back of his bed, getting us some crazy shots. So we're gonna have stuff to use for Instagram and stuff to use for TikTok, or Instagram and YouTube, which is gonna be dope. But you know, we had to stop here at the gas station because we are empty. But something, if you guys are noticing, that's a different color visor. If the sound quality isn't as good, we are back on the Purple Panda today. So we don't have our great high quality mic. Sadly, we are stuck using the Purple Panda because for this cool video, I wanted to use the 75th anniversary Pista. As you guys can see in the video, we're using the 75th. So actually, I will pop this on, lock this for now, put our kickstand down, go say what's up. Oh, okay, bike felt super heavy right now. Alrighty, let's go walk and talk to these guys.
You'll be fine.
Alright. Well,
for years, like, on just fucking around with this shit. Honestly, I've taken photos and stuff for like 10 years.
Now you guys are on the vlog. So what's your guys' Instagrams? You guys want to be tagged in the video?
Tagged in it. Yeah, I don't have like a big social media thing. I know, yeah,
we know that guy. He's here too often.
And Logan's about to be back, but yeah, also just tag us or whatever.
Well, what is it? So that everybody knows.
Chris Slim 12, and then mine's ahop.photo.
Alrighty, Burger, make sure to put that right under their name. Blow it up right there. And we got one more guy inside that he'll be out in a second. But yeah, no, so this is the setup. Crazy. They are going to be with straps hanging onto the back of the car with the construction straps, which is ridiculous. I will get some clips from there. The Insta 360 is mounted up there. But alrighty, now you're here. What's your Instagram? You're live. What's your at?
ZX6_Logan.
All right, right there, ZX6_Logan. But yeah, no, so he's gonna be shooting horizontal. So all footage you guys are seeing right now on YouTube will be his shots. And our buddy over there is gonna be shooting vertically. They got both their setups, that's why it's 2. So they get to a little bit of everything. We get some vertical, we get some horizontal, which will be dope. But we are going from here, heading down to our favorite place in Huntington Beach, you know, cruise from Main Street, or I don't know if we're going to Main Street. We're just gonna go hit PCH and go down PCH, turn around, come back. Our buddy has some stuff to do a little bit later, Rob. So that's it. Oh yeah, also guys, make sure to go pick up some of his merch. Upshift Clothing. Upshift Clothing. That is his merch. My stuff will be dropping soon. But all right, make sure to go pick up some of his merch. We'll catch you guys when we are mobbing on the freeway. This is added. The side carbons were added. The tank secure, and then like the wings are carbon, but that's factory. This is carbon, but that's factory. Oh, the gills. Yep. The gills are aftermarket. And then the front is stock.
Oh hell yeah, dude. It's like an 18.
19.
Does it have the new headlights or no?
What do you mean?
Does it have like halogens or?
The LEDs.
It is okay.
Yeah.
I think 18 was the last year. I think they had the same front end, but they had the like.
If it turns on. I think I have to start the bike for it to be the LEDs. Like the LEDs on these 2 are brighter than the the high beams because they're LED and the other one's not LED.
Right, to make up the difference.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. It was a nice bike.
Thank you. It's definitely.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Let's fucking roll.
Alrighty. And we are out of here. But we should still be filming. Yep, we are good. We are still filming. Got the microphone plugged back in because, you know, we gotta unplug when walking around because the microphone isn't the greatest when we got the mic plugged in. But let's let him go first because we can get over easy. Huh? I said let him go first because we can get over easier than he can, and we can like kind of block traffic for him to get over. You go first because we can kind of block traffic for you to get over, and it's easier for us to get over than you. So you can go hop on that way and then.
It's literally this on-ramp.
Yes. No, I'm good. That was a close one. I'm glad I kind of warned you. Alrighty, guys. So yeah, we're still good. All right, I'm gonna start us up. We're going. All right.
I'm pretty sure I've seen him do videos kind of like at that cul-de-sac over there.
Possibly, maybe.
Because he said it's...
Oh, hello. 5 girls in one car, there's 5 of us. Hello.
I need this sweater off. I thought I would need.
Dang, he cooler than us. That's a wheelie at all times. And he got the Insta out here.
Oh, shit, my bad. You want to do that one spot you go to, or?
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, down there. Well, where are you talking? Oh yeah, I see it right there. I've never been on that. Are you talking on the boardwalk, or where is that? Is that the?
You just walk your bikes down there.
Oh, okay, I've never been down there. Walk them or ride them?
Walk.
Why?
They won't kick you out if you walk it.
Oh really? Bicycle. Which actually, do you want to just leave your helmet here, or we're gonna take pictures on them probably?
No, we're gonna take pictures on.
Yeah, you're right.
What do you got?
Some of the ones in that light, bro. Holy fuck.
Damn, I look like Superman out here with the Night Easy look. I feel like Superman out here. Ready?
Yeah.
You
Alright.
just push them on basically? Or
Huh?
You guys just push them on or ride them on?
Yeah, he said push them on.
Okay. That's fine.
We'll ride over there, hit kill switch, and then let it coast.
No, we can't do that.
No, I know, I'm kidding. All right, you ready?
It's 3:13.
Wait, you're walking over there?
It's push bike season.
So we got
So,
to leave by what, probably
hello?
3:45, 4?
Okay.
3:45.
We have a half an hour. We're with Fiora.
Because we'll probably go slow and take this way back so we can do some more
Really gonna be all
Yeah.
here.
pop-ups.
Not like
So probably at least 35.
I couldn't. And of course the sky is not blue. You know that is? Yep.
so the shadow goes behind you.
Makes sense. All good. Huh? Nah. I'm just like, fuck. My back is shot because yesterday was back day. So my lats are gone. I'm going past, I'm going right through. Woohoo! I'm going over here. Rob. Where are you at? Where? Okay, I think I see you up there. Alright. Alrighty, we got him. Pictures? Hey, if you want on this street, if he's going fast enough, are you shooting like rap, like where it shoots a ton of them at? Okay, never mind. Or if you're gonna do that, I'll try to pop it up decently to get some shots of it coming up. If you put it on like the rapid fire shot, but
I'm doing roller.
yeah, no, where the was it the aperture or whatever slower or whatever, so everything's moving. But I know with the roller, you kind of I mean with the wheel, you kind of have to do the rapid shots. That looks clean.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
But we're not on the highway. So when we go on the highway, and we might not shoot right now because our batteries are dead.
Yeah.
So what time are you free?
Me?
Or do you want to shoot Sunday?
What do you mean? Am I free?
Yeah.
I'm free after all the day.
Okay. Because our battery, this is our last battery.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have a Sony. How long does it take them to charge?
All three of them, like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Okay.
They're high performance.
If not, I'll try to get Saturday morning free and just go do the install at night. Or because what time do you guys want to plan to?
Whenever.
Let me call who I'm supposed to go help on Saturday and see if I can either do her really early and us at like 3 o'clock, or us early and her late that day. But I'll make sure to find a way to be free Saturday.
I'm back in June, so it's not that bad.
What's up, guys? But so we are back to filming. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna be using and everything, but yeah, no, this is crazy. Now he got the double strap. We're getting some rollers out here. Got some cool video. Have some insane pictures to post. Can't wait to post them. It's gonna be dope. He's getting some clean rollers. The freeway rollers at like 60, 65 always go crazy. Wait, are you back to listening to me, Rob? Oh, I'll turn it off. But alright. Nope, that just paused it. Alright guys, now we're back to talking solo. We don't got Rob in our ear listening to us the whole time. He ain't lurking in the back. Oh, fuck! We had sounds that turned off! Man, this man don't stop listening to me. The voices in my head are talking to me? Fuck! I'll do the drugs again, I'm sorry. Traffic, they're probably going a different way. Oh, Robert don't hear me anymore. But my phone is playing music. Okay, we're clear. Alright guys, yeah, now we're back to vlogging and him not listening to me, I hope. What is this man? This man is... This man is unstrapped right now. What an... This is wild. Okay, he's strapped back in.